Small steps can lead to big change. So isn't every step inherently a leap? Graniten and Harper are proud to present our latest technological leap: the digital pad printer. Work orders are sent to the machine by the ERP system, and the pack artwork is automatically merged with variable or serialized data. The first step in the process is surface treatment. This assures a robust, high-quality print that will withstand the sterilization process. At the heart of the digital pad printer is the Red Cube Plus from Harper. Curing is achieved using the built-in LED curing system, which instantly polymerizes the ink. The inspection system provides a 100% quality control of the final printed product. The digital future of BFS customization has arrived. And it's one giant leap for your packaging operation.